Welcome back to Squawk on the Street. It is time for our ETF Spotlight. Mike, taking a look at industrials.
Industrial sector, yeah, exactly, Sarah. In fact, we were mentioning it just in the last segment about how it had been relatively hard hit in this whole drama about potential tariff and trade wars. If you look at the performance of a couple of ETFs that track the sector, the XLI is the spiders that tracks the S&P industrials, and then also this other First Trust ETF that's much more of an infrastructure, it's a quant model, FXR, that also deals with big durable goods, capital goods. Both of them deep underperformers year to date, but you see how the market, how they tracked the S&P really very well up until about the spring and then had steep underperformance. I think there's a case to be made now, though, that it really did relieve a lot of the valuation pressure in industrials. If you look at the forward price earnings multiple of the XLI, so this is all the industrial stocks. Boeing is the biggest in this one in the S&P 500. The S&P, the PE ratio went from about 19 in January to below 16. So it went from a big premium to the market to a pretty significant discount to the S&P right now, which is about 16.2. I think you can start to argue that perhaps this is the part of the market that has taken its medicine when it comes to trade. Not to say there's no more downside, but I think one of the biggest knocks you had on industrials coming into this year was overvalued for a cyclical sector, and Boeing really was the poster child for that. The Boeing PE is down from 28 to 20 in 3 months.
Well, they were supposed to also be the big winners out of the Trump trade, right? We're going to export more. We're going to sell more defense to our neighbors. And interestingly, they've been the most in the crosshairs.
So we've reset expectations lower, arguably, and maybe that's okay for now.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.